ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, ooh, yeah, yeah. If you're tossing and you're turning and you just can't fall asleep, I'll sing a song beside you. And if you ever forget how much you really mean to me, every day I will remind you. Oh, find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, ooh, yeah, yeah. You'll always have my shoulder when you cry. I'll never let go, never say goodbye. You know you can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, ooh, you can count on me 'cause I can count on you.
Is my mic on? Hello? Oh, okay, now it's working.
Is my camera on?
No, you have to press start video.
Oh, yep, now it's on.
Hello, is my mic working?
Yep.
Definitely.
Okay. Is it recording?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay,
Okay.
let's get started.
Hi, Elementary.
School.
Where are your Falcon officers?
Serene.
Tamara.
Jenna. Whoa, it's already June?
Oh my God, I can't believe it.
It's almost summer.
Don't we have an assembly at the end of every year?
Oh yeah, how are we gonna do that?
Guys, don't you remember why we're here?
Oh
Yeah.
We're here to introduce
Our first virtual.
End of year assembly.
We'd like to get started with our last ES Falcon News.
Today we have a special broadcast.
Oh, be safe, be responsible, be kind, be respectful, be on time, but most of all, don't forget to
Good afternoon, Falcons.
Good afternoon, Falcons.
Good afternoon, Falcons.
I am Miss Csensich.
I'm Mr. Beck.
And I'm Mrs. Straight.
Today is Thursday, June 18th. It's the last day of school.
When the news is played, please stop what you're doing. Make sure you focus with your eyes and your ears and participate positively if you're asked.
It's great to have all of you here with us celebrating the end of the 2019-2020 school year in your ASD spirit wear. I can imagine lots of red and white, and I'm remembering all the times we gathered together as a school this year.
It's been an amazing year at ASD. We've made so many new friends, learned a lot, and had so many fun experiences. In our assembly today, we'll get to celebrate a few of those.
Falcons, don't forget to use all of your mindfulness strategies over the summer break. The more we practice, the easier they become to use.
Calling all change makers. We have lots of amazing stories about ASD kids who want to make a positive impact on the world. Sometimes this takes the form of personal action in your home or with family and friends. Like Nadia in grade 3, who's making documentaries.
Hello everyone! I'm not yet done. Today's documentary is gonna be in the sun, so sit back, relax, and have some fun. Enjoy! Welcome to Nadia's Documentaries. I'm Nadia reporting from the mountains in southeast China to bring you a remarkable story about one of the cutest animals in the world, pandas. We have lots of things to talk about, so let's get to it. I bet you know that panda's favorite fruit is bamboo, but I bet you don't know that pandas eat 20 to 40 pounds.
Or Cassidy in grade 5, who made Celebration of Success sashes for 5th graders this year.
Sometimes, change makers create opportunities for people in other parts of the world, like our very own 4th grade Girl Scouts from Troop 5, who created their very own patch to make sure that their Girl Scout sisters felt a sense of togetherness and belonging.
ASD Falcons are change makers. Each of us has a voice and the ability to change the world. We hope that this summer, you'll all find ways to help make this world a better place. Be the change you wish to be.
And now it's time for Joke of the Week. What do you call a penguin in the desert?
I don't know. What?
Lost. Ha 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 ha.
Ah, ha, ha, ha.
And now we want to wish a happy birthday to...
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
يلا حيلا 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 حي أبو الفرحات، حيكون عيد ميلاد الليلة أسعد الآيات، فليحيى أبو الفرحات.
سنة حلوة يا جميل، سنة حلوة يا جميل، سنة حلوة، سنة حلوة، سنة حلوة يا جميل، سنة حلوة يا جميل، سنة حلوة يا جميل، سنة حلوة، سنة حلوة، سنة حلوة يا جميل.
يلا حيلا 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 حي أبو الفرحات، حيكون عيد ميلاد الليلة أجمل الآيات، فليحيى أبو الفرحات.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Don't forget about our core values. Be responsible, be respectful, be compassionate, and show integrity.
As we head into summer break, let's not forget that we are Falcons wherever we go and with whatever we say. You represent the school, and we want to feel proud of who we are as a school. Remember to always use your manners and to be kind and caring wherever you go. We know that you'll make us proud.
That's all for this year, Falcons.
We hope you have a great assembly.
Watch fondly.
And celebrate a lot.
Bye.
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 So be safe, be responsible, be kind, be respectful, be on time, but most of all, don't forget to be cool. Ooh, yeah.
Hi, Falcons. How are you today? I'm feeling active.
My name is Akshita.
My name is Fed.
Speaking of feeling active, who participated in the after-school activities and mini Falcons?
I heard it was really fun. Thank you to all the people and teachers who participated in the after-school and mini Falcon activities.
We know it's hard to stay at home without any after-school activities or classes.
But think about the positive side. You will have more time to practice your hobbies. I really like soccer.
Once again, Falcons, thank you to everyone who participated.
I hope the days come easy and the moments pass slow, and each road leads you where you wanna go. And if you're faced with a choice and you have to choose, I hope you choose the one that means the most to you. And if one door opens to another door closed, I hope you keep on walking till you find the window. If it's cold outside, show the world the warmth of your smile. But more than anything, more than anything, my wish for you is that this life becomes all that you want it to. Your dreams stay big, your worries stay small. You never need to carry more than you can hold. And while you're out there getting where you're getting to, I hope you know somebody loves you and wants the same things too. Yeah, this is my wish. I hope you never look back, but you never forget all the ones who love you in the place you left. I hope you always forgive and you never regret, and you help somebody every chance you get. Oh, you find God's grace in every mistake and always give more than you take. But more than anything, yeah, more than anything, my wish for you is that this life becomes all that you want it to. Your dreams stay big, your worries stay small. You never need to carry more than you can hold. And while you're out there getting where you're getting to, I hope you know somebody loves you and wants the same things too. Yeah, this is my wish. My wish for you is that this life becomes all that you want it to. Your dreams stay big, your worries stay small. You never need to carry more than you can hold. And while you're out there getting where you're getting to, I hope you know somebody loves you and wants the same things too. Yeah, this is my wish. This is my wish. I hope you know somebody loves you.
Hi, I'm Layla.
Hi, I'm Shivraj.
Hi, I'm Rudy.
We are here to tell you about the amazing things that happened this year with the Student Council.
Student Council was so much fun this year, right?
Yes, right till the very end. We got to plan themed Thursdays and be on the ES Falcon News during virtual learning.
I love the Student Council this year because there were so many things that I did that I wouldn't have done if I wasn't a member of the Student Council.
Hasn't virtual learning been a little different?
Yeah, but I've been doing some calming activities to help me get through it. I've done a time capsule to remember the virus, and I put some of my worries in it.
Well, let's think positive. I got to see the Student Council was so much fun because we got to think of ideas to help the school and we got to participate in lots of activities, like the Harvest Festival.
Third and fourth graders, we recommend you to sign up next year if you want to help the school out.
Next time when you walk by the principal's office, you might see a kind poster and you can stand and be the eye.
If you remember, we also had a stand in the Halloween Harvest Festival and a lot of morning meeting mix-ups.
Thanks to Mr. Brown and Mr. Janssen for all the fun we had in the Student Council. Here they are to say a few words.
Please welcome Mr. Brown and Mr. Janssen.
Hey, have you all noticed the videos that all these student council members have been putting together over the last 2 months? They've been really fun, really unique, and very creative, and it's been really fun to see these.
Yeah, and we're just so thankful of all the work that Student Council did before our distance learning time together, all the projects they put together, the morning meeting mix-ups, the buddy classes, all their great work. So we just thank them so much for all their dedication this year. And if you're someone who's looking to be part of Student Council, look for more information in the fall. Have a great summer.
Bye, guys.
Hi, my name is Sienna.
And my name is Ryan.
This year, Roots and Shoots had amazing opportunities.
And we also thought of great ways to improve our school.
On the Roots and Shoots website, they describe Roots and Shoots with this quote: "Be bold, be kind, and do good."
So now let's hear from Miss Rush and Miss Gamache to explain more.
Hello, Elementary Falcons. I'm Mrs. Rush.
Hi, everyone. I'm Miss Gamache, and we are the advisors for the ASD Roots and Shoots Club. And we are a really large group of 4th and 5th grade students working to make positive change in our communities. So we want to send out a big thank you to all of the members that worked really hard this year to make this world a better place.
And we look forward to next year. So if you're going to be in 4th and 5th grade next year, we look forward to all the things that we can do together to help make this world a better place. So we put together just a quick film to show you what we've accomplished this year.
Enjoy.
Roots and Shoots is an international organization started by Dr. Jane Goodall to empower young people to make a positive change in their communities. This year at ASD, we had more than 30 4th and 5th graders members in our group. Together we learned about the problems facing the people, animals, and the environment around us. We taught others about what we learned and how small actions can lead to big change. We took actions to make a difference. Thank you to all of the ASD Roots and Shoots changemakers and to all the ES students for joining in to help. As Dr. Jane Goodall says, you cannot get through a single day without having an impact on the world around you. What you do makes a difference, and you have to decide what kind of difference you want to make.
We can help build a better tomorrow. I can't believe it's the end of the year already.
Me too.
We forgot to introduce ourselves.
Oh yeah. Hi, my name is Archer.
Hi, my name is Lulu. Archer, have you done your Rito challenge? I know I have. Archer, are you sleeping?
No, I'm awake.
Archer, let's get back on track.
Oh yeah, we have something to tell them. What was it again?
Speaking of the librarians, we have to introduce them.
Let's give a round of applause to our
amazing librarians, Miss Pollock and Miss Jones.
Thank you, Lulu and Archer, for that welcome. Hello, ASD. We want to say from the library that it's been a whirlwind of a year, and from all of us, Miss Breyer, Miss Mara, Miss Parvis, Miss Pollock, and myself, we have loved seeing you grow, play, and read. We all enjoyed getting to know the reading dogs and starting to cook doll in preparation for our visiting authors. It is because of these memories and our daily interactions that we have missed you all so very much over these last few weeks. And we really can't believe that it's almost summer. And speaking of summer, Miss Pollock will be talking more about the Summer Reading Challenge. Please take it away, Miss Pollock.
Hi everyone, we're excited to tell you about this year's Summer Reading Challenge, ASD Reads Summer 2020. We all know that ASD is a reading community, and so we are going to invite you to share what you're reading this summer. To take a photo, make a video, you can record a book review, you can tell us about a favorite series, a favorite author, you can illustrate a picture inspired by your book. There are infinite possibilities. We're going to invite you to share your reading during the summer on this ASD Reads Flipgrid, which looks like this. And you'll see here, I know many of you are familiar with Flipgrid, that you can contribute by clicking on this plus sign. You'll see Miss Jones has an example for you here with little Rue, and that's where you'll be able to record your ideas about the books that you're reading. And we are excited for you then to be able to watch what all of your fellow Falcons are reading and enjoying over the summer. So that is one option for summer reading, contribute to the Flipgrid. You'll see here also we have a list of recommended reading, and we invite you to explore these websites. They are some award-winning books, some Children's Choice Awards, and Goodreads where you can find read-alikes based on books you've read before. So please take some time to explore this if you're looking for your next favorite book. And the second option is here to build your own reading challenge. This might look familiar to some of you. The Rito that you participated in over the home learning period. But this one you'll notice is completely blank because we're inviting you to design your own summer reading challenge. Summer is about reading books that you love and you're interested in. And you'll notice here on the second page there are several different choices, ideas, suggestions for genres, formats, themes of books. So check those out. But really, we just are encouraging you to read as much as you can and enjoy some relaxing reading over the summer. And if you so choose, you may record your titles on this Build Your Own Reading Challenge. So enjoy your summer. It's well-deserved, and happy reading.
Hello, my name is Vihan.
And my name is Akshita.
This year, some of our best friends and classmates will be leaving our school.
As sad as it sounds, the students will all have the opportunity to meet new people and get to experience new cultures and schools.
Yes, even though our friends will be leaving, they will always be a big part of us.
And you know what they say, once a Falcon,
always a Falcon. Now we would like to hand it over to Mr. Beck to tell us more.
Thank you, Akshita and Vihan. I couldn't agree more with what you've said. No matter how long you've been at ASD, you have and always will be a very important part of our community. Well, you have many new adventures ahead, and wherever you end up in the world, we hope that you will take a piece of ASD with you wherever you go, because you will always be an important part of us. We look forward to the day that our paths cross again, and we wish you and your families the very best.
My name is Mia.
And my name is Ryan.
Wow, Ryan, I can't believe the school year is over already.
The end of the year makes me sad.
Why?
Because it is our last year in elementary.
Oh, yeah.
Elementary was so great.
We did so many fun things.
Like going to Calva Camp and Field Day and so much more.
Those were some fun times.
Well, anyway, I think it is time now to hear more from Miss Csensich.
Now may I have our 5th graders stand wherever in the world you are right now. And this might feel a little bit funny, but take a step up. That's you stepping onto the bleachers so we can see all of you. Fifth graders, we want to congratulate you on the completion of your elementary school experience. We have loved watching you grow over the years, from nervous and excited K-1 students to the knowledgeable and confident role models that you are now. Thank you for helping to lead our elementary school this year. From helping buddy classes to recording the Falcon News, even during a pandemic, you have shown us what it means to embody our core values of respect, responsibility, compassion, integrity, and excellence. Most of you will begin middle school at ASD next year. Some of you will head to new countries and new schools, or will return to other countries you call home. Wherever you are, wherever you go, we want you to know that we are so proud of you. We know you are ready to be 6th graders, to be middle schoolers, to continue to learn and grow and lead, and we are all excited to see the wonderful things you will do. So take one more step up. That's your step out of elementary and into middle school. We will miss you so much in the elementary school, but we will still be watching you grow and will be cheering for you along the way. Congratulations.
First, let's take a moment and thank all of our teachers and staff for this amazing year. Did you have fun this year, Sienna? I had a lot of fun.
Yeah, but all good things must come to an end for new adventures to begin. Some of our teachers, staff, as well as students will be leaving this year.
For everyone who is leaving, we will miss seeing your faces in the halls.
We thank you for all the work you have shown us at ASD.
We are so grateful for our security cleaners, facility teams, nurses, and IT workers. They help our school in so many ways.
Take a moment to think about everything they have done for all of us this year.
Now, let's hand it over to Miss Straight to say more.
Good morning, ASD Mini Falcons. I hope you're having an amazing day. While today marks the end of our school year, it is also a time for us to say goodbye to our faculty and staff who are leaving. Each of them has made ASD a caring place to learn and grow. From K1, Miss Dibbert. K2, Miss Abby. Miss Ali, Miss Tia, Miss Ames, Grade 1, Miss Koshika, Miss Smith, Miss Tressa, Grade 2, Miss Kieran, Miss Wallen, Grade 3, Mrs. Huss, Mrs. Gatlin, Grade 5, Mr. Belnave, Mrs. Rush, Arabic, Miss Randa, PE, Coach Rush, Technology, Ms. Williams, Art, Mr. Osama, Library, Miss Pollock, Miss Mara, Teaching and Learning Coach, Miss Ashwin, Campus Rec Coordinator, Mr. Gatlin, Elementary Office, Miss Rolana, we wish all of them much success in the future.
Hi again.
Hello.
Do you know that we are getting a new principal?
Really? That is exciting.
His name is Mr. Che, and he's really excited to meet everybody. He'll be working with Miss Straight and Miss Csensich next year.
Wow, I'm going to be very excited to meet him too.
Now let's give a round of applause to Mr. Che.
Hello students at ASD. My name is Mr. Che and I'm so excited to join you as the next elementary school and early years principal. Currently, I work in Hong Kong at the Hong Kong International School. And you know what? Just like you, it's not the same right now as we're engaged in home learning too. All our teachers miss students and I'm sure the same is true for you. But our hope is that this summer, when things get better, my family, made up of my wife and 3 kids, will come to Dubai to begin a new adventure. We look forward to joining the ASD community, becoming Falcons, and getting ready for the next school year. I look forward to working with you, learning from you, and making next year the best possible year. Until then, I hope the rest of your year is good, that you have a relaxing summer, stay healthy, and we look so forward to welcoming you back next year. Take care.
Guys, focus.
Sorry.
This is pretty cool.
Tamara,
focus. Aloha.
Hola.
Konnichiwa.
Hello.
Hello.
But actually, we're here to say goodbye.
No.
Guys, I said focus.
Sorry.
The year has gone by so quickly.
I still remember the first day of school.
I know, right?
And now, we would like to welcome
Miss Straight,
Miss Csensich,
and Mr. Beck to bid us
to bid us farewell.
Ciao.
Au revoir.
Bye.
It's been another amazing year with all of you in the elementary school at ASD. We have grown together in our classrooms, have participated in many wonderful events, have tried a lot of new things, and have shown kindness and compassion to one another.
We have stretched ourselves to realize that we can do even more than we ever thought possible. We have a lot to celebrate, and it's been an incredible year. We'd like to thank each of you, students, teachers, and parents, for the special parts you have played in an extra special year.
So I guess there's just one last thing to say. Have a great summer.
Play hard.
And learn a lot.
Please join us in our alma mater as we wrap up our assembly in the 2019-2020 school year.
Bye.
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 From faraway shores and from different lands, we came to the desert, the sea, and the sand to learn side by side and to stand hand in hand. The American School of Dubai. With the oryx we run, with the falcon we fly. We reach for the stars in the dark desert sky. Leave no one behind, with no venture we shine. The American School of Dubai. Our hearts oh my, when the light hits your smile, there's a fire that ignites at the bottom of my heart. Ooh, me, oh my, if we open our eyes, I think we're both gonna find that it's a wonderful life. Ha! Me, oh my, it's a wonderful life. It's a wonderful life with you by my side. Me, oh my, it's a wonderful life. It's a wonderful life with you by my side. Me, oh my, it's a wonderful life. It's a wonderful life with you by my side. Me, oh my, it's a wonderful life. It's a wonderful life with you by my side. All of our friends, feet in the sand, beneath the stars, it never ends. And we got no explanations, 'cause there's no expectations, just beautiful faces and nowhere to go. Me, oh my, it's a wonderful life. It's a wonderful life with you by my side. Me, oh my, it's a wonderful life. It's a wonderful life with you by my side. Me, oh my, it's a wonderful life. It's a wonderful life with you by my side. Me, oh my, it's a wonderful life. It's a wonderful life with you by my side. Me, oh my, when the light hits your smile, there's a fire that ignites at the bottom of my heart. Ooh, me, oh my, if we open our eyes, I think we're both gonna find that it's a